Victoria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. It's a cilantro lemonade, very refreshing. It has a lot of properties to it, but first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. A pinch of salt, limes, of course the star, cilantro, and filtered water. You are going to love this cilantro lemonade. So let's get started. Let's prepare it at home, because what is made at home, it's perfection. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I have my saucepan here, my cup of sugar, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Let's take it to the stove. Let's start cooking the simple syrup, okay? My stove is on. I'm going to add my pan, my saucepan, and my sugar. My friends, I am making my simple syrup. The simple syrup takes about 3 to 4 minutes. We just got to be mixing and mixing until everything is completely combined and the sugar has completely dissolved. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'll see you back in a couple minutes to show you when my simple syrup is done. My friends, I want to show you that my simple syrup is done. The sugar has dissolved completely. The water is just a little bit yellow, but that's the way it should turn. So this is, my simple syrup is done. So I'm going to turn off my stove and I'm just going to leave it here so it starts cooling down. I'll see you in a little bit. I have my cilantro here and my limes, and let's go and take them to the sink. We want to wash them, rinse them very good through running water, one by one, just like this. These limes are organic. They come from my backyard. So we want to just rinse them out, making sure that there's no dust or a little bit of dirt on them. My cilantro, we have a bunch, and we're just going to take a little bit at a time, put them through running water, making sure that we rinse them completely. We want to make sure that they are nice and rinsed. And if they had just a little bit of dirt, well, this is the time where we're going to go ahead and remove everything from them. Okay, this is done. Let's start making this delicious cilantro lemonade. I have here my cup, my blender. I'm going to go ahead and just add all the cilantro in there. This is what I like to start doing first. I'm going to add some water. But before I do that, I'm going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those flavors, the cilantro, the lime. The pinch of salt really makes a difference, my friends. Here, I'm going to go ahead, take it, blend it completely. We are going to blend it for about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, making sure that it's nice and blended. Look at this, really nice and blended. Let me show it to you. We don't have to put it through a sifter. We're just going to go ahead and add it to this big bowl I have here. I'm going to go ahead and add all the liquid of the cilantro. It's really bright green. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to my blender cup, and I'm just going to whisk it a little bit and add the little bit of cilantro that was left behind. Okay, to this, I'm going to add the rest of the water. For this recipe, I'm making 1.5 quarts. I'm adding my simple syrup. And we're going to go ahead and just mix it, incorporate the simple syrup and the liquids very nice and incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and just taste it. To my tasting, it's fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I have my limes here. I'm going to start slicing them right through the middle. But I want to show you that they have no seeds, okay? If your limes or lemons have seeds, make sure that you squeeze them in a separate cup. You don't want the seed to go into your agua fresca. Now here, all my limes are nice and cut. I'm going to start adding the juice of the limes right inside. Look at this. I want to show you that my limes are very juicy. They have a lot of juice. A lot of juice. Look at this. I know that it takes time, my friend, but this delicious water, it's so refreshing that I know that once you try, you're going to continue making this cilantro lemonade. Okay, let's mix it one more time and incorporate all the lime. I'm going to go ahead and just taste it a little bit. This is just delicious and refreshing. Now, I am so ready. I am ready to add it to my pitcher. I'm going to get my pitcher. I'm going to add enough ice. Be generous with your ice. Add a lot of ice. You want this drink nice and cold, nice and refreshing. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and add all the agua fresca, the cilantro lemonade. Look how beautiful and how vibrant the green, the liquid is. I'm just going to mix it just a little bit to incorporate all that ice because I really want to drink this agua fresca nice and cold. I'm ready for my presentation. Cilantro lemonade. It looks so beautiful, but yet I know that it's very delicious and refreshing. Let's see how this came out, because you know this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. This is so refreshing, so delicious. It has a lot of vitamin, of antioxidants. My friends, you've been missing this lemonade, cilantro lemonade. It comes out perfect, it's delicious, it's refreshing. And I know that once you do it, once you prepare it at home, you're going to continue. Excuse me. Oh my God. The little pinch of salt picked up all the flavor of the lemon, all the flavor of the cilantro. This is a perfect cilantro lemonade. A very delicious and refreshing. Remember, I want you to refresh yourself with this delicious agua frescas. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my cilantro lemonade. Bye-bye.